This is the purple list. Number 1, shone. The flashlight beam shone in my eyes when we were camping. Number 2 is froze. The water froze and became ice. Number 3 is freeze. We need to freeze the ice cream so that it won't melt. Number 4 is swept. I swept the floor after I spilled the glitter. Number 5 is shine. The sun will shine right into the windows of our classroom. Number 6 is sweep. Mr. Taylor will sweep up the mess if it's made in the hallway. Number 7 is keep. Your best friend wants you to keep the secret. Number 8 is kept. I kept my treasures in a treasure box. Number 9 is pay. I have to pay my grocery bill. Number 10 is paid. Dad paid the babysitter and sent her home.